before I moved to Austin, I always wanted to know what South by Southwest was like. Things and cold drinks, man.
A lot to that, and I think a lot of us can relate to that. We're on the outside, we show ourselves as we have it all.
What's up, guys? South by Southwest is just now getting underway. I got me and a couple of my best friends here this weekend, so I'm gonna show you guys how we do it, take you guys along, and we'll see what we get into.
You tell me to go.
Man, what y'all got to say to the people, man?
Hey, all I got to say is live your dreams, man. Always follow your dreams, because you never know. You might end up on a cloud on another planet.
What's up, guys? Here in Austin, Texas, the famous, the infamous
Austin.
Here at the fairgrounds, man, just having a local drink. This is called Austin East Cider, but it's said like Austin East Cider. So drinking local, man, just enjoying ourselves, me and my friends. I'll keep you guys tuned in. See you in a sec. What's up, guys? Out here on, I think this is 3rd Street, and we're about to go in the corner bar to just enjoy life. Hey, shout out to my homeboy Jerome. That's my best friend on this earth. And man, we're just enjoying life. Glad to see it. See you guys in a sec. It's more than just like a conference. It's a culture, it's an experience. And I want to show you guys what that's like. I remember like before I moved to Austin, I always wanted to know what South by Southwest was like, because Wiz Khalifa mentioned it in a song and I had no idea what it was, but it's great to be here now. I'm gonna take you guys on the journey so you can see what it's like. Right now we're getting a table.
They are precious.
He said they're parents.
They're parents.
They're parents.
Oh my God, nice to meet you guys.
Watch out, watch out.
That's not always good.
What's up, futuristic? How you doing?
Doing great.
But I mean, it'll be clear. It'll be close enough.
If we meet him, you gotta put him in the vlog. You know?
Oh yeah, for sure.
You know, you gotta put him in the vlog.
Y'all can come back anytime you want. This is crazy.
I gotta tell you something. You made a really good choice. To be honest. This Prime Video series that you will get to see more.
Give a shout out to two of our incredible actors, Dominic Fishback, who
Amazon. Swarm is a work of love and passion shot on film and of our crew and cast, which included Dominique Fishback, Chloe Bailey, Benson Aegis, Paris Jackson. Enjoy the show and make sure to tweet or Facebook this.
Just watched the new Donald Glover TV show. It was an interesting thing. I don't know if I'm gonna be the one to watch it. I don't think I'm the target.
Interesting.
Yeah, I don't think I'm the target audience, but it was still a good show, and I recommend you guys check it out. It's called Swarm, or at least that's the working title right now. I also heard that they're like working on.
Hey, this going big. Chloe Bailey, what's up, baby?
I also heard that they might call it Hive or something like that. But whatever the case, you guys should check it out. South by Southwest 2023. Peace. What's up, guys? Today we're here at Bird Biscuit. It's a local black-owned restaurant, and it's day 2 of South by Southwest. So I don't know. We may ride go-karts later, or we may go to Founder's House and a few other places. I'm gonna take you guys along once again. So see you in a minute. Say what's up to the camera, y'all. Okay, so we finally got our food, and you guys take a look at this. Man, I'm about to give it a try. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think, but just take a look at that. It's massive. And I'm trying to get it to go into focus. Either way, and I got a fried egg on top. I'll let you guys know how it is. Okay, so I've had the biscuit, and I'm gonna give it a rating of about a 6 out of 10. The burger, the biscuit had a little bit too much bread on the chicken, but it was still good, still tasty, but it was also a little messy, which I'm not a big fan of messy food. So maybe I'll come back and try the bacon. It used to be the Manor. What's up, guys? Right now we're on South Congress. About to go to Jenny's Ice Cream and I don't know, check some of this stuff out. So I'm gonna obviously continue taking you guys along. Austin, Texas, South by Southwest 2023. What's up, guys? I don't know if you can hear me, but we're at the Amazon Prime house right now on South Congress. It's beautiful out here. Man, this is South by Southwest at its finest. Just take a look at this, man. Listen to the sounds of Austin, Texas. We can see downtown in the distance. It's a beautiful day, beautiful people. Hey, where'd you get that hat from?
Right there, man. There's a pop-up swarm shop.
The swarm pop up.
Appreciate it. I saw the premiere last night. Oh, really? Gotta get lucky. You know, it's crazy that we actually saw the world premiere of Swarm, y'all. So check it out, guys. I just got this Lucky Lotto that has like a Swarm emblem on it. And then this is the actual car from Swarm. If you guys watch it, you'll see this car in the actual film. They said this isn't a prop, this is the real thing. So this is the Swarm pop-up shop. Apparently this Swarm money can get us any 3 items out of this part of the store for free. And if you have a lucky number with the Lucky Lotto, you can get a free hat or t-shirt. What's up, guys? We are on the famous rainy street. As you guys can see, there's plenty of things happening right now.
Absolutely.
You just gotta be a part of it, you gotta get into it. This is probably my favorite area of Austin. Keep that in mind. All right, y'all.